Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome, and we are continuing the journey towards 1K on this Robinhood account. So right here in front of me, I have the Plug Power stock, and I plan on selling one contract, and the reason is because we have a pretty strong bearish trend going down, and it looks like it's going to continue to trend downward, at least for a little while longer. And I want to capitalize on that. So the reason why I would like to sell one contract is because, again, this EMA, this green line, is continually heading downwards, the bearish trend. And we have this Akinashi candle right here there you go, that gray candle. And you can see right there that the top is flat, which means that there is still some selling power, and it's underneath the EMA, and also down here with the stotch is lining up pretty good. This is going downwards, and it's started up from the top and it's going downwards with the moving lining up, so it's looking pretty good. This was typically the setups for the last couple of trades I've been in, whether it's going up or down. This is generally what I look for. Everything has to line up for me according to the Akinashi candle, the EMA, and the stotch down here. So if it lines up good, then there's no guarantee, but there is a good chance that there will be a continuation. So that gives me confidence with this trade for selling one contract. Now, let's go ahead and put in that order real quick. So we'll head over to my Robinhood account. You can see right there, we've been slowly going upwards. We started at $70. Now we're at $127, hoping that we will continue upwards towards that 1,000. So we're going to do our best to keep the streak alive. So let's look for plug. I'm going to put that in, PLUG. Excuse me. And get a drink of water real quick. So plug power. All right, that's better. Okay, so we've got plug power loading up here. And what we're going to do, excuse me, and what we're going to do, we're going to sell one contract. So we're going to go down here where it says trade plug options. I just woke up not too long ago. I guess that's why my throat's kind of needing to be cleared up a little bit. All right, so we are going to buy a put option because according to the chart, we saw that plug is in a bearish trend right now, and according to the Akinashi candle and the stotch, everything is pointing downwards. So it gives me an educated guess that the stock will continue to trend downwards, at least for a little while longer. And again, that's just an educated guess. There are no guarantees. All we can do is do a little bit of analysis and then just see what happens, and have faith in your trade setups. But anyways, I have buy, put, and we are going to click this down here. Okay. All right. So we have this little, I don't know what this thing's called, but it's an expectancy chart or whatever. But we would have to go down like at least 5% to make a little bit of profit. But we'll see what happens. All we can do is just go off what we saw on the chart and then just go with it. So we're going to continue here, and we are going to do one contract. Okay, one contract. Well, you know what? Maybe we can do two contracts. Let me see. Oh, I definitely don't want to do 21. Okay, yeah, so we're going to do two contracts. Okay, so we're going to do a long put for two contracts. It's going to cost us the max cost 108, just in case anything happens. So let's see this analysis. Yeah, so it looks like we're going to be in good shape, but we'll see what happens. So we're going to go click review order. All right, so you're paying 108 for the right to sell 200 shares of the plug, $14 per share by December 20. Oh, you know what? Let me go back. I forgot to set the expiration date. I'm glad I read that. So we're going to do this for the expiration date of January 6th. That might change things a little bit. That just might change things. You know, let me take the other option off. Okay, so we're going to take that off, and we're going to go to January 6th, because I remember I like putting my expiration date out a little bit farther now. Okay, so we're going to buy a put, and we're going to do, I was wondering why it was so cheap. Anyway, so we're going to click that for the put, and here we go. Yes, just like I thought before, we have enough for one contract. Okay, so we're going to continue. We got one contract for 95. We're going to click review order. Okay, so you're paying 95 for the right to sell 100 shares of plug, $14 per share by January 6th. Okay, so that's more like it for me. All right, so we're going to click, make sure one more time I got everything right. So one contract. Okay, we got that, 95. And we're buying a put option for that. And we're going to hit submit. Okay, so we have the long put queued. We are done. Okay, and yeah, there it is. So we've bought one put contract for plug, and now all we can do is just see what happens. Like I just got the email right now. All we can do is just see what happens, and I'm looking forward to getting some profit. Hopefully a lot, but you know, we'll just have to see what happens. We saw the chart. The chart looks okay. Again, let's see, yeah. So everything is pointing towards my way, but we'll see. Underneath the EMA, Fibonacci candle, flat top, and it's lining up with the stotch. Okay, so and yeah, it's looking good. We just have to wait and see how it ends up. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning back into the Daily Financial Group. My name is Jerome. Thank you for watching these videos, and thank you for being a subscriber. If you have any comments at all, make sure to leave them at the bottom, and I'll get back to those as soon as possible. But again, thank you for watching these videos. My name is Jerome. Always remember to stay blessed, keep the money, and run.